Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 4 different jobs to share with you in today's video, all are remote work from home. We have one of those seasonal customer service jobs, but we also have an entry-level position that looks like to me like it is non-phone or mostly non-phone. It is in the healthcare realm, and it doesn't really require any experience at all. That's why I'm calling it entry level. They do list that if you have certain experiences, that's a plus, but no experience is actually listed as being required, and it pays up to $22 an hour. So if you're looking to kind of get into the healthcare field, that one might be perfect for you. So of course, we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you need to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course sharing is always caring. So if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. Now, first up, we have the company Yelp. Yelp is where people do reviews on different companies, leave like star ratings, and give their experiences, specifically with service places like restaurants and all. They have 5,500 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a support specialist for their restaurant division. Now, this is going to be customer retention, and it is remote work from home. Now, please note, even though it is work from home, their operational hours are anywhere from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So working days will be Sunday through Saturday. So they operate 7 days a week. And so you might have a schedule that includes some nights, weekends. You'll work 40 hours during that time frame. But they are looking for somebody to help them retain and grow their restaurant client base using Yelp services. And so you're going to provide inbound customer support both through phone and email, consulting and educating their customers, providing value, and just resolving any of the restaurant's business needs, trying to keep them a customer and retain their business. So you're really going to become an expert in Yelp's restaurant software as a service or software as a solution product suite. So they do offer software solutions to these restaurants, and so you are going to help make recommendations to the restaurants that would suit their needs by asking them questions and trying to find solutions for them. So you're kind of asking them probing questions. You just keep asking questions to keep trying to pull more information out of them. You're just going to help these restaurant owners with the full suite to help market their restaurant effectively and manage their front house for their drive diners. So you're trying to get the word out, and of course the restaurant will be featured on Yelp so that everyone will see it. They are looking for somebody who has a positive attitude, who's a great communicator, who is value focused. Now, this one does require a bachelor degree, or if you don't have a bachelor degree, you've got to have 3 years of experience in some kind of client facing experience. And they do want somebody who has experience in like software, sales, client retention, things like that. But pay is fairly well for this position. It's anywhere from $52,000 a year up to $72,000 a year. Now, next up, if you're looking for that seasonal customer service jobs, we have another one. These are going to be popping up over the next month. BaubleBar is like a jewelry and accessories company. They have 97 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote seasonal customer care associate. Now, one thing to notice about the BaubleBar website is when you come to the link, if you're interested in the job, their jobs don't have individual links. This is just their job page that lists all of their jobs. And so it is the second one down. It says seasonal customer care associate remote, multiple shifts available. If you just click on that heading, it'll have a pop out that will give you the job description. But they're basically looking for somebody to do that basic customer service. You're going to handle those high volume of customer inquiries that come in through email, social, and live chat, so non-phone, while navigating multiple computer systems. You're just resolving customer issues related to their orders, returns, shipping, or product information, maintaining detailed and accurate records into the computer system while helping the customer. You're going to provide about 30 to 40 hours a week of this customer support. They are are going to give you about 10 hours of training before you start. And of course, they have multiple shifts available. They have a 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or a 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I know some of you were looking for things to do in the evenings and overnight. This one might be one of them. They are looking to start mid-September through October. Now, this position is temporary. It only lasts about 12 to 18 weeks. It's seasonal through that holiday shopping time. And they are looking for somebody who's experienced in customer service, somebody who can navigate multiple computer systems. You can use a computer and type at least 40 words per minute, and you can be a multitasker. If you're looking for something that's more entry level, that maybe you can get in your foot in the door when the healthcare industry, Performant might be for you. They have 192 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a healthcare operations support specialist. Now, please note, this position pays anywhere from $19 an hour up to $22 an hour, and they're just looking for somebody to help audit their client inventory activities such as claims repricing, status reporting. So they're really looking for somebody to monitor reports, taking specific actions on those reports based on the information provided from the report. You're going to respond to client correspondence and email requests for information. Sometimes correspondence might be fax or mail and then email. So this sounds like mainly non-phone. You're going to maintain provider information in their system and database. You're going to reprice and update claims using the contracts that are in the system, creating, documenting, and modifying processes for new and existing clients, and just contributing overall to the team effort of completing assigned projects on time. Now, as far as what they are looking for, their requirements are a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. While one is preferred, it's not required. Also, experience. You don't need any healthcare experience or really any experience at all. They say if you have healthcare data analysis experience, gathering and documenting like data, that is a plus. It is not required. And then you have to be able to use computers, specifically software programs like Microsoft Office and Excel, but no actual work experience is required. You do have to have good critical thinking skills, good problem solving skills, good time management skills, and the ability to work independently and also as a team. But again, this seems like not really much experience is actually required. It seems to be entry level, might be good to get your foot in the door in the healthcare realm. And of course, last but not least, we have ADT hiring. They have 5,100 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a retention and customer service representative. This is nationwide for the United States. Now, ADT is one of those companies, just like United Healthcare, that sometimes I really don't like to share, even though I know a lot of people are interested in the positions that they have open, because sometimes they're like here one minute and gone the next. For whatever reason, they like to take their applications down pretty quickly. But as of filming this, if you click this little apply now button, you get to the page where you can start entering your email address and your information and actually putting that application in. Sometimes when an ADT job is open, you'll come to this apply now page and it'll just say this job is closed and you can't put your application in. So I'm just confirming it is working at the moment. And for this position specifically, they say that the end date for application submission is estimated at September 20th. It is September 4th right now, so hopefully this application will stay open for a little bit. But they are really looking for somebody just to answer the phone and do customer service, trying to be the retention specialist. So you're trying to retain or keep a customer who wants to cancel their ADT services. You are trying to solve their problems of why they're not happy with their service and make them want to stay on as a customer. Your whole goal is persuading them to go the opposite way and not cancel their service. So you are going to handle a high volume of calls coming from customers requesting to cancel their service. So just know these customers might be upset already with maybe they're having a problem with their service and that's why they want to cancel. So you're just going to use de-escalation skills with these difficult calls, just trying to use problem solving skills again to identify why they're trying to cancel and use quick thinking to try to come up and negotiate a solution for them so that they don't cancel. Now, it does say they are going to provide training, and I am going to assume that this training is going to be completely online because they hire in an array of states. Those states are Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. But do note they have this little stipulation out here that says this role may have on-site training at one of their 4 locations, but they are hiring in so many different states. I am just going out on a limb here and saying I don't think that they will have on-site training. I do believe it will be all online, but you can always ask them in the interview. But they are looking for somebody who has 2 years of either customer service experience, call center experience, and 2 years of sales or selling or dealing with customers and services. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED. And they are paying anywhere from $18 an hour, looks like where you will start out at. And then they give you raises every 30 days until you reach the $21 an hour mark. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.